Hello guys, my name is IJ and you're welcome to my channel. As you can tell from the title, today I'll take you along with me and show you how I prepare this yummy okra soup. List of the ingredients I used: of course, okra. I used 4 packs, spinach, fresh ones, and assorted meat, chicken, cow leg, and mackerel. I would have used 2. Hubby asked me to use 2, but I told him we had to save. But I just don't like mackerel. Onions, crayfish, chili. Yeah, I love chili. Stock cubes. And I'll be adding Ogbono. Uziza seeds, a very optional ingredient. Palm oil. And don't forget your salt. I start off by washing my cow leg. I add salt and wash thoroughly. Scrape out every scrapable. Next, I transfer the meat to a clean pot and add onions, salt, stock cube, and water. You know, the cow leg takes time to cook, so you have to be patient with it. But if you're using beef or other types of meat, you don't have to worry about that. You just have to cook it for a short time. While the meat is cooking, I prepare the rest of the ingredients. I wash my okra with salt. Yes, I wash everything with salt. And then I cut them. Who else loves chunky okra like me? I don't know why, but I don't like cutting them into tiny pieces. If you're one of me, just let me know in the comment section, okay? Did your mommy teach you this? This is a trick to knowing good okra. When you bend it and it snaps, it means it's good. If it doesn't snap and break, I pity your soup. Don't say I didn't tell you. I grind my ogbono and crayfish and a dry meal, and then I'm going to blend the chili and the onions. Add a little of water to help your blender, and then you blend. At this time, I take my cow leg and then I add my chicken. The reason I didn't add them together in the beginning is because the cowlet takes longer time to get done. So if you're using beef or chicken, you don't have to cook it for a long time. So I add more onions and stock cubes. I cook it for about 7 minutes and add my mackerel, which I would later take out, because you don't want to leave it to scatter in the pot, so you take them out. Next, I take out the rest of the meat, leaving just the stock in the pot. Notice that I'm not being generous with water, because the aim is to end up with a thick, slimy soup. Add in your pepper and onion mixture and a spoonful of red oil or palm oil. If you want a more watery soup, feel free to add more water, but I want mine to be thick, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. The crayfish and ogbono goes in. I almost forgot to add the Uziza seeds. You guys know it's optional, but I like the taste of it in my soup. Our soup is almost ready. The ogbono has been simmering for about 7 minutes now. So what I do is to add the meat and let it simmer, and then I'm gonna stir and stir and stir and make sure the ogbono is not burning, because it tends to burn a lot beneath. Add in your mackerel and be gentle while stirring the pot so you don't dismember the fish. Yay! Time to add in our okra. Stir for 1 minute. 1 minute. You don't have to stir for long because you don't want to overcook your okra. Add in your chopped vegetables and also stir for 1 minute. 1 minute and voila! Your food is ready. Soup is ready. Okra soup with ogbono. Okra with ogbono is ready. Oh my god. You guys don't know. This soup was yummy. It was yummy. Nkabo, ilicha, anamechaka. You eat and then you lick your fingers. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Please, please, please. And leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, you can ask down below and I will reply you. And then I will see you in my next video. Bye.